a mix of propaganda being spread on social media by Ghana bloggers concerning the Igbo King and the Ashanti King, preventing him from having a handshake with him during the burial of his sister. The wife of Igbo King in Ghana celebrates her birthday in a grand style, in a very beautiful, colorful way. This is the wife of the Igbo King, the celebrant. This is her in a beautiful dress for her birthday. You can see the husband, the Igbo King in Ghana. This is so beautiful. They began the celebration of the birthday with a prayer. After her husband, the Igbo King in Ghana, finished praying, they cut the cake, and the celebration of her wife's birthday kicked off. The celebration began. Everybody was so happy. In fact, everything was full of fun. They had fun, they celebrated, they ate the cake, they enjoyed everything. This was not a small celebration. The Igbo King in Ghana is a kind of man every woman pray every day in church to have as husband. A man with doing, a man with everything, with money, handsome. He has doing. The Igbo King in Ghana is a full option. Let's just watch the video.
Cutting this cake for her wealth. We're cutting this cake for her wisdom. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
This is very beautiful. This is so beautiful. Love is sweet when you have the right man, when you have the money, when you have the resources to enjoy life. You will know that life is beautiful. Life is beautiful. And if you go to comment section, a lot of things happen under the comment section. All those envious people, jealous people, all those Ghana bloggers that were spreading hatred, spreading propaganda, everybody disappeared. There is no kind of comment you will not see under the comment section. Some commenters with bad mouth said that Ghana women, that most of them have never celebrated birthday in their lives, that they are so much envious and jealous, disturbing their heart instead of praying to have this kind of man who can cater and provide for them, for their needs. All of them disappeared under the comment section. Away from that, the birthday was so colorful, was so fun. It was a low-key celebration filled with vibes, beautiful atmosphere, and everybody had fun. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. Life is so simple if you understand this life. If you take it easy, you will enjoy this life.